Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you an effective hair growth treatment. The treatment I'm going to be showing you is very powerful. If you experience excessive hair loss, baldness, hair thinning and stunted hair growth, the treatment will help to stop all those problems, so keep watching. The first ingredient we are going to start with is cloves. Cloves are very powerful for promoting a faster hair growth, stopping excessive hair loss and preventing hair thinning and baldness. Clove contains vitamin K and eugenol, which helps to increase hair growth and increase hair thickness. It also contains anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which helps to eliminate dandruff and any itchy scalp and fungal infections. So adding cloves to your hair care routine will help to stop all those problems in a short period of time. Moving on to the next ingredient, I'm going to be adding dried rosemary, but you can also use fresh rosemary. There is no any difference between the two. So rosemary is a very powerful ingredient that you can introduce to your hair care routine and can help to reverse all the problems that you have. Rosemary is very powerful for stopping excessive hair loss, reversing hair thinning and baldness, and also preventing scalp issues like dandruff and itchiness. If you have excessive hair loss, you should consider including rosemary to your hair care routine, because study shows that rosemary can help to reverse chronic hair loss and can help to stop baldness and hair thinning. So including rosemary to your hair care routine will help to stop all those problems in a short period of time. Moving on to the next ingredient, I'm going to be adding cinnamon sticks. You can also use the other cinnamon sticks. These are the cinnamon I bought locally. They all have the same benefits, so just use any that you have, or you can also use cinnamon powder if you have. Cinnamon is also another ingredient that you can incorporate to your hair care routine and can help to stop all the hair problems you have. They help to increase hair volume and thickness and can help to stop excessive hair loss and balding. If you experience excessive hair loss or you have issues with receding hairline, you should consider including cinnamon to your hair care routine. You can incorporate cinnamon in two ways. You can either make hair growth tea or make hair growth oil, and they can really help you to grow your hair faster and to stop all those problems that you have. So now that we've known the benefit of each ingredient, next I'm going to go ahead and transfer each one of them to the mason jar, and I'm going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of cloves and some cinnamon sticks. For the proportion, you can use any quantity depending on the amount of treatment you want to make and how long you want the treatment to last. I'm going to be adding just 1 cup of hot water. So here you need to use hot water since the ingredients are dry and you want to infuse them faster. If you decide to use cold water, unless you're going to infuse them for long. So since I'm not going to infuse them for long, that's why I'm using hot water. And now I'm gonna cover them and I will leave them to infuse for 5 hours. Today I'm not going to leave them infused for long. Now this is after 5 hours of infusion. As you can see, the ingredients infused and the color of the treatment changed. Now as I said earlier, you can infuse your ingredients for longer, like 24 hours, so that all the nutrients infuse well. Now I'm going to be straining out the treatment because that's what we are interested in. So hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point, and if so, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel if this is the first time coming across my channel and this is the type of content you would love to watch. Please consider subscribing. Now, right now, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the treatment to an applicator bottle so I can go ahead and apply faster to my hair. So I will be using this treatment as a leave-in. If you guys are not new here, you know that my hair has really increased in volume and also length and health. Before, my hair used to be thinning, and one of the main reasons why my hair has increased in volume is because I have been incorporating leave-in treatments or hairsprays, herbal hairsprays as leave-in. I do not like to rinse them out every time I make them. I use them, I apply on my hair and scalp, massage it in, and also I also make sure that my hair is well moisturized, and that way my hair has really changed significantly as compared to before. So one of the main reason that my hair has increased in volume, I can see that is because of using herbal hair teas as leave-in. So if I'm not using them as leave-ins, I like to make use them as tea rinse. After I shampoo my hair, then I pour the herbal hair tea on my hair and scalp, massage it in, cover with a plastic bag and leave it for about 30 minutes, and then I rinse it off or also leave it, and then follow up with other moisturizing process. I apply a leave-in conditioner, a hair butter or oil of my choice, and then that way my hair stays moisturized and it doesn't break out because of breakage. So that one of the reason why my hair has grown and has increased in thickness. So if you're not using the herbal teas as leave-in, I would recommend to use them as a tea rinse because they are beneficial if used like that, especially after washing your hair with shampoo, because remember that time your scalp is clean and your hair is clean. So applying herbal teas as tea rinse, they will get to benefit both scalp and hair. If you have breakage or hair loss, then using both two ways will help you a lot and your hair will benefit from that. So that's how my hair has been able to increase in length and volume, and also consistency is the key. So you need to be consistent so that you see the result. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to your loved ones. Also, do not forget to turn on the bell notification for a new video. Bye, see you in the next.